Okay. Over here. Buddy. Can you sit? Wait. Good girl.
Late at night, late at night.
Sit. Lay down. Spit. Good girl. Sit. Speak. Loud. Speak. Yes. Good girl. High five. Good girl. Good job. That is what we did today. That is our morning, everyday summer routine. One of my favorite things about having a dog is the routine that it gives me. I thrive off of things happening in a certain order, so it's so nice that like my days basically all look the same now. It's really, really helpful for my anxiety. So yeah, if you want more like vlog-ish videos like this, let me know. If not, you can also let me know and I'll stop doing them. But otherwise, the rest of the day I'm just gonna drink my matcha and read my book and enjoy this tropical storm that we're getting. I love to watch the weather, so I'm sure that my dad and I will be sitting out here if it starts to thunder. We always do that. We always sit outside. My grandfather always used to sit in his garage and watch the rain, so it's just really nice. I find it really relaxing to just sit and watch nature happen. But I hope everybody stays safe, and that if you're in an area where the storm is a little bit worse, I'm in Connecticut, so it's just gonna be some like maybe thunderstorms and some rain, but I hope you all stay safe, and I hope you have the best day ever. Bye, love bugs. Alright, so I was gonna end it right there, but the weather got insane. So we're standing in the garage. My poor puppy's a little bit scared. We're gonna go inside, baby. I just wanted to show them. Update. The window's broken. Cool. It's so cool.
What do we got?
A party. Couple of pets. Everyone's accounted for.
Ooh, well,
Dixon, are you here? Yep. Dash. Present. Henry.